Would I buy this cleaning business for £115,000? I saw this listing on a business broker site for a commercial and domestic cleaning business based in Somerset. The business is 4 years old with a turnover of £157,000 and a net profit of just under £38,000. Some of the key points highlighted by the broker is the firm's 90% customer retention rate, with a range of clients from domestic households to offices and education. There is no reason for the sale mentioned, but the owner is asking for £115,000 for the business. So can you see what I see? Would you buy this business or would you pass? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to find out how to buy a business successfully, get your free business buying toolkit. The link is in the video description below. The first thing I would want to discover is the motivation for selling the business. Now, the positives that stand out for me are the high retention rate and the range of clients. There's also additional income through supplementary services such as deep cleans, which looks like a way of increasing revenue from existing clients. The big question that I would want answered is the number of staff and whether there was a manager or whether the owner was managing the day-to-day operations. And this will make or break the deal. There isn't enough profit to install a manager to avoid becoming an operator if you invest. If there is already a manager, then it looks a bit more enticing. Buying a business is a roller coaster, which is why you need a lawyer who knows what he is doing. So why not use mine? His name is John Andrews, and you can find his contact details below this video. Looking at the accounts over the period is key. The business is only 4 years old, which means it doesn't have a long history of generating profits. Which brings me back to the reason for sale. A final red flag is the listing itself. There is a lot of fluff in the listing, which is more like an advert for clients than a pitch to an investor. When you see a lot of description and very few hard numbers, there's a reason. So would you buy this cleaning business? Let me know in the comments below.